Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the Dell Latitude 5340. To see the internals, you have to undo 8 captive Phillips head screws. Then, pop the top 2 corners with a thin plastic tool. Fully pry the rear and work your way around the sides and the front. Our device is equipped with the optional 54 watt-hour battery. The base variant is a 42 watt-hour variant. To remove it, pull out the connector from the motherboard and undo the 5 Phillips head screws that fix the unit to the chassis. The optional capacity is enough for almost 11 hours of video playback. To achieve that, you have to apply the balanced preset in the Windows Power and Battery menu and select the optimized power plan in the Dell Optimizer app. In terms of storage, there is just one M.2 slot for the shorter 2230 Gen 4 SSDs. The pre-installed NVMe is protected by a shroud that is held in place by 2 Phillips head screws. The plate has a thermal pad on the inside. You have to remove the plastic element in front of the SSD before pulling it out. The WWAN slot for optional 4G or 5G connectivity is placed on the left of the cooling fan. It's covered with a metal plate that can be lifted with a lever tool. Just like most compact devices, the memory here is soldered. On the bright side, you get up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5, 4800 megahertz RAM that works in dual-channel mode, which should be enough for most people. The cooling is modest, but it seems enough for a laptop with an iGPU. It has a single fan, 1 heat pipe, a heat sink, and a heat spreader.